Good morning, friends. It is Monday, April the 27th. It is my daddy's birthday, if you wanted to know. He turns 60 today. But I just wanted to kind of go over a little bit about the review. So remember, I have reopened the review from last week into this week on WebAssign, so apparently it won't go past Saturday. So I reopened it for this week, so you can still see it. As you go into the review, let me see if I can, sorry, let's preview assignment. There we go. As you go into the review, again, this is optional. It just kind of gives you an idea of what to expect on the test on Wednesday. So remember, the chapter 4-6 test is on Wednesday. It opens at 6 a.m. and it closes at 11:59. I think it has a time limit of 2 hours, so you'll have plenty of time to complete it. And so make sure you get that done on Wednesday and give yourself plenty of time. So one of the things that you can do, let's see if I can do it on here. So as you go through this, once you put your answer in, then, or you can download the answer key to see it. That's perfectly fine too. Let's go back here. Let me see if I can view. And now, keep in mind, I'm still learning WebAssign also. So let's show the key. Can I do that here? There we go. Okay, so I can show the key here. And so out beside, you can, after you're done, you'll get the answers. And keep in mind, you may have the correct answer, but you may have put it in the wrong format. So please make sure that you're putting it in, especially like number 1 and 2 is an ordered pair. You can look at which of the graphs is correct by looking for the little green box for the key. Okay, determining, are they inverses of each other, are they not? Those kind of things. So once you're done, you can go in and if you do get something that's incorrect, like here's one that you may get incorrect, make sure that you do it as a fraction. Okay, make sure you square the top, square the bottom, or flip it because of the negative, and then cube the top, cube the bottom. So make sure you put in what they're wanting, and you're using, so once you click into the bar, it says enter a fraction, integer, or an exact decimal. So do not approximate. So these kind of things you would want to put a fraction in. Okay, and again, as you're doing this, you can, the math toolbar shows up on the right. So let me do something real quick. Let me take the key away. Yep, there we go. And then come down to this problem. Once I click in there on the right, let's see, 9/16. Can I do it that way? You should have. Apparently it's not going to show up for me on this end. You should have a way to put in a fraction bar on the right, the math toolbar. So please be sure that you're using that. And I can't put it in because I am not actually taking this. So things that you guys can see and things that I cannot see. So again, you can download the key and look at the answers after you get it done, rework it. But again, this will prepare you very well. If you take the review, it'll prepare you very well for the test on Wednesday. So also, if there are specific questions that you want to see worked, you're always welcome to email me and tell me what number, and I can go in and do that for you and send you back a picture of the work. Also tonight at 6 o'clock, there will be a Zoom review session. So if you have questions, we can work problems then also. The link is in the announcements page under today's Week at a Glance. And so it's not a Week at a Glance, it's the plan for the rest of the semester. So we are basically have this week, and then next Monday is our final. So be sure to look at the schedule. So today is just a review day, and then Wednesday you'll take your test Also on Wednesday, I will post, and I may do it today just so you can kind of get a heads up, start looking at that. I'll post today the final exam information so you can start gathering and looking at things for that and kind of know how that will work. And we'll go from there. So there will be another Zoom session on Friday night for a final exam review. If you have questions there, anything you want to ask, but please know that you can always email me if you have specific questions. So, and then your final is next Monday. And the final information PDF that I post, the packet that I post, will have all the information about the final, what to expect, how many problems, how many points, how much time, those kind of things. So make sure you look at that before you reach out. So again, if you have questions, today's just a review day over Chapter 4-6. And once you take your test, I'll get your grades posted, and then you can figure your grade based on after you take your test. So there's a part in the packet where you can figure your grade, and make sure don't figure your grade until after Wednesday. So Thursday morning you can figure your grade, what you need on the final. So we still have points to put in there. So again, have any questions, reach out. I hope you have a great day, and maybe I will talk to you tonight on Zoom.